So we are at part 3 of lesson 5.4. We had just arrived at the question over here, when does a rocket hit the ground? And we said that that happens when h is equal to 0. So we plugged in 0 as h, and we're trying to solve t when h is equal to 0. And so what we did is we divided both sides by -5, and we got 25 is equal to t minus 4 squared. To get t minus 4, you simply do the square root of both sides. And so you get plus or minus 5. Because when you think about a square root of 25 as 5 times 5, or -5 times -5. So you get plus or minus 5 is equal to t minus 4. So what we need to do, and again, this is a bit of a mess the way I've done it here. You need to make sure it's nice and organized. You're going to follow your form properly. What we need to do right now is we're going to solve for t for the scenario where it's plus 5 and for the scenario where it's minus 5. And we'll see what happens there. So we're going to do 5 is equal to t minus 4. And the other scenario will be -5 is equal to t minus 4. And what we're going to do here is simply add 4 to both sides to get rid of the minus 4. And we get 9 is equal to t. It's simple solving an equation. On this side here, same idea. We're going to add 4 to both sides to get rid of the minus 4. But now when we do this, in this scenario we get t is equal to minus 5 plus 4 is -1. That does not really make sense. How can the time be -1 seconds? So we're not going to go with that. Therefore, we're going to go with hits the ground at 9 seconds. And again, you would write a therefore statement that's a full sentence. You'd have nice organized work. We did a problem like this in a previous video. I've also posted more problems on your course platform from other YouTubers. What you can do is go and pause those videos, read the problem, try it out yourself, and then play the videos and check your work to see if you're on the right path. Again, make sure you follow that proper communication form. There is some information about that on the learning platform as well, and you've been modeled that before. So go through the lesson, do your problems in the textbook, and any additional problems that you come across to get more practice with the vertex form, how to interpret it, and what type of real-world application problems you can see as a result of it.